Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Chef Angie and
I am Chef Cathy. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. And some of you have been asking about the recipes. Please check the description box. Down there is a link to everything that we usually talk about. Yeah, I'm making biscotti.
yeah,
And yes,
the origin.
Italy. So it's an Italian.
So we are going to Italy.
Right here we have the flat.
Chef Angie, you can get us the sugar. Here goes the sugar. Will it be too sweet? Please promise. Yes, I promise it won't be too sweet. Then we have the baking powder. Baking powder, here we go. And then so biscotti can be either coconut or usually they use almond flour, the Italians, but we have opted to use our usual all-purpose flour. But if you have almond, you can do half flour, all-purpose flour, half almond bun. Then we have begin with our coconut. We have chosen to use coconut, but if you have nuts of choice, you can use the nuts instead of the desiccated coconut. And then here we go in with our eggs. So this biscotti means twice baked. So you'll notice that after we bake this, we'll remove it and then put it back in the oven to bake one more time. Okay.
So we are going to add in our butter,
Melted.
butter, and then also go in with some vanilla essence, which is really optional. Vanilla, because we already have the coconut going in there, so it can bring enough flavor.
Okay.
So after this, gosh, as if I'm mingling posho. Now that everything is well mixed, we have our tray here, and we will be putting our dough onto the tray. So I don't know if you can check the consistency of our dough. Very nice. We're going to shape it on our baking tray. Here you can't avoid using your hand. So we are shaping this on the tray.
Okay.
You can shape that side. You don't want it, you want it to be like 2 inches thick.
Oh. So are we thinking rectangular or?
Rectangle would be good.
Okay. That's good. So it's going to be like one whole dough? Or is it
Yeah.
a price?
It's gonna be one whole dough.
Interesting.
Dough is shaped. We are going to egg wash it very, very well. And then after we will garnish it with extra coconuts. The fact that we have coconuts in, the people who are eating it should know that there is coconut in our biscotti. So, and also it's more flavorful with coconut. But like I said, if you have chocolate chips, if you have any nuts of choice, the Italians usually use almonds. You can go in with them inside your dough or just garnish with them.
Okay. Is this okay?
Sure. So we are going to, I know, yeah, hands are
They washed, yes.
and they're very clean. So there is also, people usually ask gloves or no gloves. You as a chef, what would you recommend?
I think it depends.
It depends.
If you're working with maybe fruits, you can use the gloves. Yeah, and then you dispose them off.
That's very right. But also, as a chef, you always have to know that the surfaces, be mindful is the word, of the surfaces you touch when you're using your glove.
Yes.
We've really been generous with the coconut.
It's going to be flexible.
So right now we are just going to take it to the oven and we'll see you after. The biscotti is out of the oven for the first time.
Okay.
We are going to just slice it. Like we said, it's baked twice.
Oh.
So you have to be gentle. Yes, it will crack a bit, but that's really okay.
Okay. So you're doing it diagonally?
Yes, it will look neater
Okay.
when it's diagonal.
So you said it can be any flavor?
Yeah, it can be any flavor. So if we add in the nuts, or choco chips. Yes, we
Yeah.
could be seeing them by now.
Interesting. Oh, this is so new to me. So new to me. So you can have it with tea.
Yeah, so usually the Italians have it with tea or with glass of wine.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
you can tell it's
So,
one.
oh, with tea to them, eh? So that they cook sort of.
Yep. And this too. So in the oven we go back. Like we said, biscotti means twice baked. Oh, the biscotti, guys, you need to taste it. I don't know how I don't know, send me your Buddha guy's number.
My eyes are on the price.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah. So biscotti is good to go. We are going to serve. So on the plate they go. The flakes will look nice, crunchy. I don't know, guys.
Oh, that is so good.
So you just dip it in your tea. You know how you dip your bread when you were a child? You could do the same for the biscotti.
Okay.
Yeah, it's time. So quite big. I'll just
Yeah.
guys.
That is how crunchy it is. That's how crunchy it is. So we'll give it a taste.
Okay. Woo. Like the texture.
Very nice.
So Chef Angie,
Yeah.
what did you like most about?
You're on it for your money. I like that texture, hard and very crunchy. Very, very lovely. Very nice. Yes. Please try it out. Try it out. It's very nice.
And be generous with it, the coconut.
Yes.
So as we say bye, we would want to tell you about this 7-star Culinary Institute here in Ntinda, just along the Dr. Asea Road. We have short courses, diploma courses, and certificate courses. So the August intake is coming up.
Yes, it is.
Please watch out.
Yes. Enroll.
Enroll.
Yeah.
Enroll. Then the number is in the description box if you want to know more details about 7-star Culinary Institute. So until next time,
Bye.
bye guys.